Halo guys, ketemu lagi bareng gue Yuda dari area studio. So, selalu sama Petet dan jangan lupa tersenyum hari ini. Oke guys, di video kali ini ya, by the way sorry kemarin kita off dulu hari Rabu ya, hari apa ya kemarin. Kita nggak sempet posting karena kesibukan dan 1-2 hal gitu. Nah sekarang di edisi Fotografer kita agak beda lagi nih temanya. Nah di sini kita bakalan nunjukin beberapa fotografer. Nah kalian bisa tebak ya, fotografer ini sebagai fotografer apakah gitu. Nah kan ini ada 4 ya, nanti bakal ada 4 orang yang muncul. Nah kalian bisa nanti tulis di kolom komentar di bawah ya guys. Oke, kita lihat ini dia.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Oke guys, itu dia ya. Kalian bisa lihat ada 4 fotografer yang punya ciri khasnya masing-masing nih. Nah, menurut kalian yang mana yang fotografer landscape, yang mana yang street, yang mana yang wedding, dan yang mana yang fashion? Tulis di kolom komentar di bawah ya. Semoga video ini bisa menghibur kalian dan bisa menjadi referensi buat kalian nih mau jadi fotografer apa dari keempat jenis ini nih yang cocok buat kalian. Tulis juga di kolom komentar di bawah ya. Sampai ketemu lagi di video berikutnya. Bye bye.